Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Windows 11 file explorer that is lagging or opening very slow. In the first method, simply right click over Start Menu Windows icon and click on Run. Now go to the video description and copy this path from there. Paste it in the Run dialog box and click on OK. Now delete all the files you see here. Close everything and restart your computer. In the second method, search for Windows PowerShell, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line from there. Right click on the PowerShell window to paste it and hit enter to execute it. Once executed, close everything and restart your computer. In the third method, simply open your File Explorer, go to the Properties of Downloads folder. From here, go to Customize tab and in this drop down make sure General Items is selected and save the change. Now again go to the Properties of the Downloads folder. Click on Advanced. Uncheck this option. Click on OK. Make sure this option is checkmarked and save the change. Now close everything and restart your computer. In the fourth and final method, simply search for indexing options and open it. Click on Advanced. From here, click on Rebuild. Then click on OK. Now once the indexing is complete, simply restart your computer and the job is done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.